Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Rain's here. We just end the show of the Disney on Ice. So we got out. So this is the end.
The show has ended. Please exit safely towards the doors near you to make way for any cleanup and security check. Thank you for watching the show.
Did you take one last picture?
The show has ended. Please exit safely towards the doors near you to make way for any cleanup.
The show has been ended. Of the Disney on Ice. I think let's get back going. I think it will be a rerun on 3 p.m. It will be rerun until 3 p.m.
Mga may ticket na mamaya, papalusin sila. Oy, sabi na yung ano. Dito kami nakakita ng oras kayo. Yung mga oras yan.
The show has ended. Please exit safely towards the doors near you to make way for any cleanup and security check.
I think I like this show
Tapos ano siya?
inside the Mall of Asia Arena.
The show has ended.
Until tomorrow, it was the last day now.
Doors near you to make way.
Until tomorrow, it was the last day of Disney on Ice. Tomorrow, January 5. This one not allowed because of the thing.
Hindi ko pinaka-the-best na first time ko nag-box. And then yung mga hila, may special effects.
We just got back outside.
Pinakaharap naman, hindi maganda eh.
Disney on Ice is very much fun. So many characters right here.
Ano na yung bago na. Yung mga lupa lang sila. May isa. Ayun, bago lang yan. Kailan lang. May nakuhalapin ako yung parang kakilala ko. Hindi ko rin kilala yun. Hindi ko rin kilala.
The exit stairs. You can take a photo whatever you want here. SM logo. The globe. The globe is here again. I just got a picture. This is how it looks like inside.
Everything well.
Sila, picture tayo.
Picture pa kaya?
Ayaw mag-picture kayo, no?
Here's the jeepney terminal down there.
Mga residents eh.
The residents from SMDC.
Hotel 101. Dito rin yung Hotel 101.
Down here is SME. What's this? SME. Downstairs.
Charan charan chan chan chan. Mahulog ka. Charan charan chan chan chan. Charan charan chan chan chan. Charan chan charan chan chan. Charan chan charan chan chan chan.
Dia lang Madrigal.
Parang bago pa
Kilala ko yung hindi ko rin kilala ko yung mga
upper box. It's the upper box.
Isa. Ano walang mali? Walang mali.
Another view side. I'm not sure what happened to the ceiling. It's
Are your arms
the roof.
tired?
Huh?
Are your arms tired taking a video?
Not yet.
Well, mine is tired. And it aches and hurts so bad.
Here's another one. Marina Way. SME. The suits level. What do you mean? What do you mean suits level? Wait a minute, this one has two ways to go down. Huh?
Premier Suite.
Dito yung VIP.
Hala, ginagawa. Look at it mo.
Hindi binibenta yun.
Ando.
VIP lang.
Ano ka kaya mag-umuwi?
The other side is go down too.
Wala
Pag sobrang yamang si Pacquiao. Mga
Wala, baka,
iPhone.
hindi, baka yung residential ka ng mga tourist residence na talagang, ano, sa'yo yung residence. Ganun, privilege. Oh, mga privilege.
Here are the stuff.
5,000.
There's so many stuffs here.
5,000.
There's the other side. Can go down. Two, ah. There's the other side.
Ano
Look.
mo rin yung ano mo? Still vlogging. Still vlogging.
Yes.
Di ba may ano na tayo dito na? Update. May update tayo po.
See you the next show. It says see you in the next show. I don't know what we're heading here.
Is there mawa, ano, LRT?
Moa LRT?
Push yun, labas ang iso.
Yes.
Para din tayo lalabas. Kailangan pa ba lumabas? Yeah, yeah. This way to...
Tama ka dyan.
Bridgeway, yeah?
Bridgeway. Ayun na, Bridgeway.
Heads to Bridgeway.
Tayo na, dito na tayo. Lance. Lance.
SMX Mall of Asia. It feels like init.
Init na.
That was in large aircon battery for thing. Is there mezzanine floor? I don't know what we had.
Enjoy.
Yes, I'm enjoying.
You enjoy watching
Yes.
Disney Night?
Yes. But how many people there heading? I think we're stuck in traffic.
Human traffic.
Human's traffic version instead of car traffic. Let's see.
Bawal nga yung iPad.
Outside. This is how it looks like. Where does it head there? It's like in a traffic. Directories.